Hello children, welcome to Wisdom with I channel. In the last class, we discussed about the sounds created by QU digraph. Today, we are going to study about another digraph, that is G and H. When G and H joins together, they don't make any noise. Actually, they remain very silent. Okay children. Now, let's learn the Thai spelling. Thai, Thai. GH remains very quiet. It does not make any sound. Okay children? Now, let's learn the another spelling. Night. Night. GH remains quiet. No sound is created by this digraph. Okay children? Now, let's learn another spelling. High. High. GH silent. Now, we are going to study the spelling for fight. Fight. Okay, another rhyming word of fight is light. Can you pronounce that? Say along with me children. Light. GH remains quiet. Okay children, hope it's very interesting to learn about this GH digraph. Let's do a short recap. Okay children, thus G and H closes its mouth. It remains so quiet and silent. It does not make any sound. Okay children, we can easily learn the toughest spelling like neighbor, naughty, daughter, age, etc. using this digraph rules. Okay children, hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. If you like, please share.